Hello and welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. This is my November 2020 plot tour. The grass needs cutting, the apples are gone. This is the flower bed. I need to sort that out. Good boy. In a treat. In a treat. In the first bed we have Leeks. And I've recently finally planted my garlic. I've got 2 rows of big elephant garlic, I think it is. No, it's not elephant garlic. It's just big garlic. And it's like purple. And some normal garlic. And talking of purple, here's my purple kale. And there's Casper. And you can just about see the green kale. It might look like weeds from the distance, but it is kale. We can start to harvest the leeks now. This is my little strawberry and gooseberry patch, and on the second bed we have purple sprouting broccoli, which did all get eaten by caterpillars in the spring, and it's grew back really nicely. The Brussels sprouts this year are very small. I've also planted a bit of kale here where I can fit some in. It's nice and purple. And this is the wood chip path. And here are some winter cabbage doing very well, as you can see. And on the third big bed, don't mind the naughty dog, this was the 3 sisters method, which was actually the 2 sisters method, just sweet corn and pumpkins. And here on the 4th bed, or 4th section, is the part of the allotment I haven't planted in yet, apart from 2 things which you'll see shortly. I've just dug up some weeds, I've laid some things down just to keep the weeds down. You can just about see the 2 honeyberry bushes there. That's my water thing. And here is my nettle fertilizer I made, which I haven't checked on in a while, so let's do that now. Oh! Spiders. I'm not really sure how long this fertilizer will last. I made it not this year but the year before, and I added to it this spring with extra nettles and extra water. Just a quick look at the chicken run. I've put a ladder there so they can perch in it. And there's the greenhouse that blew away. I still haven't secured it down in case we get any strong winds, but that's another job. Come on then. And there's the globe artichokes, the ones I didn't eat. We have Marigolds seeds I need to collect, cosmos seeds I really need to collect. Oh, and did I say I really need to cut that grass? My lawnmower needs sharpening desperately. There's the last of the little marigolds, and I can see some tiny onions that I must have missed. They'll be too small to harvest, but I might dry them or something for next spring. Cosmos seeds I need to collect. I will get cosmos seedlings sprouting up everywhere. That was a dahlia that's still in I need to cover. Lupins in the background. And this is the corner that you might not have seen before. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. That was just a quick update plot tour of November. I'll see you soon.